ready to ride.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That boss!
This is a signature fit bike I have with them. It usually comes with black bars, but I have these because they're taller. Signature fit bike. They're on Fit Bike Co already, and I think they're dropping any time. So go check them out, fitbikeco.com, and get one Christmas, your birthday, have your parents get you one.
We don't even bring super mini anymore.
Oh no, I sold those. Getting rid of the super minis. Hudson, grab these glasses. Dude, he has so much energy, he's doing backflips all over the place.
It was pretty normal this morning until he drank a soda.
That's what happens. Don't give your kid an orange Fanta at 3 a.m.
I know, orange soda and it was over.
Wait. Go forward. DANGERBOY knee braces.
Last time I rode was down in Florida, and then Haiden raced all week, so I haven't ridden a couple weeks now. So, about time for a new bike. As you can see my pipe, it's got the titanium finish on it. This is one of those days that we were taking Hudson to school, and he's like, I want to go riding at the track. And I'm like, dude, I'm not ready. I have so much stuff going on today. A lot of business things I need to get done. I've been gone for 2 weeks in Florida. And then I was like, you know what? If he wants to go ride dirt bikes, and I guess business can wait, right? Because eventually these kids will be adults at some point and grow up, and these days you won't be able to have again, right? So I was like, yeah, let's just go out. We'll go ride. It'll be fun.
Bro, I am so tired.
Hope not, but.
Oh, that way too far.
Where do you get those gloves?
Shop DM 38.
Got it nice and warmed up. I'm like, take it easy. First lap, go look and make sure he didn't change any of the jumps. He hasn't been here in a while. Just hits it wide, like fast as he can hit it. try to take the kids to the track. And I try to leave them up to packing their own gear, try to give them some responsibilities, you know? And I'm like, make sure you got all your gear. Well, we get here, and of course, Haiden forgets his helmet liner. So I don't have one now, so I had to put a rag in here. It's probably not the smartest thing to do, but he took my bike anyway, so he took my 450. So I'm gonna go putt around on his 125. Go roost. I'm gonna go take his 125 and go rip around on the vet track. So I think we'll be all right. I just got a little loose helmet. This is a shell on my head. Try not to get too crazy. I'm gonna go ride with Hudson. Go enjoy the day. Kind of more of a family day today. A little less pressure. We're not worried about like lap times and trainers, and we're just gonna go ride for fun. So, but like I said, Haiden forgot his helmet liner, so I let him borrow mine. And now he's borrowing my bike. So, and then Hudson forgot his goggles. But luckily, I brought another set for him, so we're all good. We'll manage for today.
Almost.
Alright, that's it for today out here at Paula. First day back from the Nationals. So, back to Cali Dirt. Nice, snow bumps, dry, sometimes wet, like today. Got a little wet. But yeah, it's good, so make sure I subscribe. Go check out my TikTok, DangerBoy Deegan official. Everything else, so peace and subscribe.